Good day, guys. Our lesson starting today will be about Firebase. How to create basic applications with Firebase, how to use Firebase Storage, Firebase authentication, Firebase sign-in, phone number sign-in, and Google sign-in. Let's just see what we'll be doing throughout this course. And I have my PowerPoint software open up. I have already outlined everything we'll do throughout this course from today. So the topic is learn Firebase in Android. First, we'll get started by installing Firebase, knowing how to add Firebase to our project, and a little definition of what Firebase is about. The second will be how to sign in with Firebase using email and password. And then the third, Firebase Google sign-in, knowing how to use the Firebase Google sign-in. The Cloud Firestore, which is I won't say a replacement for Firebase real-time database, but it is very powerful in terms of scaling. Then Firebase Storage, you can use it to save files, MP3 files, video files, any kind of file. And then we'll create a social application where a user can update his account, create an account, sign in with account, change his email, change his name, change his profile picture, just to show you how to use Firebase in an application. And then we'll wrap up with a review. So that is what we'll be doing today. So I encourage you to stick along with the computer as we dig into Firebase. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.